Hi there, I'm Jordan Smith and I have a Final Cut Pro tip for you. So what I've got here is a live workshop that I recorded. So I've got 4 different angles running in a multicam clip. I've got a close-up shot, I've got a wide angle shot, I've got another kind of wide angle shot as a backup just in case, and then I've got this one which was a handheld where the operator ran around and took a bunch of close-ups of the audience. So what you often find out as you're editing something like this is that you don't use this audience camera the way that it was shot. You don't usually use any of those close-ups as inserts exactly where they were shot. You kind of want to put them in where there's a mistake. The speaker says something that you want to get around, slips up, makes a mistake, and you just want to cut to the audience and get away from that. What happens is, as you're looking through this, it's an hour long. There's a lot to look through just to find one nice shot that you're looking for to cover up that mistake. So here's what I do. Take this and right-click on it, go to Analyze and Fix, and you're going to do Find People and create smart collections after analysis. Now you can do this on import. I don't like to because I usually don't use the find people function. So I analyze just the one clip afterward. So if you hit OK, Final Cut goes and it processes this in the background and it takes a while. I'm going to hit cancel because I've already done this on another clip. So in this other workshop event, there's a folder here that Final Cut has done called People, and in here I've got every shot that Final Cut found that had people in it. And if you open this up, you'll see that it's created smart collections for close-ups, groups, medium shots, one-person shots, two-person shots, and wide shots. And usually I just hit the one-person shots, and I'm in the list view right now because I find that a whole lot easier to work with than the Final Cut film strip view. But this is where the film strip view shines. So if you switch to film strip view, now I have thumbnails of every clip that Final Cut has identified that has one person predominantly in it. And so I can just look through this and say, oh yeah, here's one. Yeah, that's what I need. And then I can just drag that right into my project. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful to you.